We interrupt this assembly with Mr. Dodd for a ukulele breakdown. Hello there, yes, it's me. You can't see me, but you can see my ukulele. And this is going to be the first ever ukulele version of Nothing is Impossible. I'm going to need your help here to sing this because it's really hard to sing. But this is dedicated to all Riverside, obviously. But if you are learning the ukulele this year, aka my class, if you've got a uke at home, join in. I'm going to put the chords up on the screen. The chords are dead easy. There's only 4 chords, would you believe? And I'm going to flash them up for you. And then, well, anyone who's played the ukulele in the past at Riverside, join in too. So the chords are dead easy. It's C. Then we go up to G7 now. Then we do a minor miracle. Then we finish on Faith. Faith begins with an F, and that's an F chord, ladies and gentlemen. Then we slide on back to C. Dead easy. So it's C, G7, A minor, F, G. And it goes a little something like this, and I say it's really hard to sing this, so I'm going to try my best. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Through you, I can do anything. I can do all things, 'cause it's you gives me strength. Nothing is impossible through you. Blind eyes are open. Strongholds are broken, 'cause I'm living by faith. Nothing is impossible. You're